cool, huh?
Before we go out, I want to get wet.
Now you only give me out.
No, Luna. Leave it. Luna, come here. No. Luna. Did you do that for about 30 minutes, about 20 yards in front of her? No, leave it. No. Come.
You want to come out with me, Easton? No, Alana, do you want to come to the paddleboard? Okay. Yep, you turn it around. I'm going to get rid of my shoes. I don't want to.
Okay. Whoa, big splash.
It's a remote control boat. You know, we kind of like the
Cut him with your fin. You little one, paddling. Did you jump in? Did you kick a rock? Yeah, that'll happen. Give him one. You want to go on it? All right, plow it. Plow it. You want to leave anything on the land here, like the backpack, in case we go out? You can't go on it, buddy. If you want to put anything you don't want to get wet or anything, put it in the Why there's no way to win? You will win You gotta come out of the water to cool off.
It's hot out here, man.
Yeah, I bet it's warm. Swimming.
Yeah, you